Welcome everyone. Today we are venturing into an intriguing and vital area of health. Top drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Our nervous system, the communication network of our body, is vulnerable to various stressors, including stress, injury, or medical conditions like diabetes, leading to potential nerve damage. However, there's a silver lining. The beverages we consume can play a pivotal role in nurturing our nerve health. Some drinks are brimming with essential nutrients that aid in nerve repair and offer protection against further damage. So settle in as we embark on this journey to uncover the drinks that could be your nervous system's best friend. Nerve damage and its impacts. Nerve damage or neuropathy is a condition that often creeps up unnoticed but leaves a mark that's hard to ignore. The causes are myriad, ranging from the pressures of our daily grind to physical injuries and the silent depletion of vital nutrients. The result? A spectrum of symptoms that can disrupt our lives, including persistent discomfort, jarring pain, or an unsettling numbness that can feel like a constant reminder of our vulnerabilities. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. The human body is a marvel of resilience, capable of remarkable recovery, especially when armed with the right tools. Among these tools, nutrition stands out as the powerful ally, with a targeted approach focusing on replenishing our bodies with specific nutrients. We can fortify our nerves against damage and support their repair. The key players in this healing process include a suite of vitamins such as B and D, omega-3 fatty acids, and a cavalry of antioxidants, each contributing uniquely to nerve health and regeneration. Nutritional Foundation for nerve repair. Before we unveil our top drink recommendations, you should understand the nutritional bedrock that supports nerve repair. Think of your nervous system as a complex network of wires transmitting signals across vast distances. Just like any sophisticated system, it requires regular maintenance to function optimally. This maintenance comes in the form of specific nutrients, each serving a purpose in the grand scheme of neural health. Vitamins B1, B6, B12, and niacin, for instance, are the conductors of this symphony, ensuring signals are transmitted smoothly and efficiently. Vitamin D, on the other hand, acts as a guardian, protecting the nerves from damage and supporting their repair. Omega-3 fatty acids found in abundance in certain drinks serve to insulate these wires, enhancing signal strength and integrity. Lastly, antioxidants are the cleanup crew, neutralizing free radicals that can damage nerve cells. With this foundation in mind, we have curated a list of drinks that are not only a delight to the palate, but are brimming with these nerve-nourishing nutrients. Each beverage has been chosen for its potential to contribute to the health of your nervous system, offering a delicious way to support nerve repair and prevent further damage. Green tea. Green tea, a beacon of wellness, is infused with a potent blend of antioxidants. Chief among them, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This compound is a stalwart defender against oxidative stress, a primary villain in the narrative of nerve degradation. By integrating green tea into your daily regimen, you're not just indulging in a moment of tranquility, but are actively engaging in the regeneration of nerve cells and mitigating inflammation. Its hydration qualities and mild caffeine content further establish it as an ideal beverage for daily nerve care, offering a subtle energy lift that complements its health benefits. Turmeric golden milk. Steeped in tradition, turmeric golden milk is a concoction that marries the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess of turmeric with the comforting warmth of milk, whether from cows or plants. The active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful ally in the battle against nerve pain and aids in the healing process. Imbibing this luminous drink as the day wanes can usher in a state of relaxation and promote restorative sleep, laying the groundwork for effective nerve regeneration. It's a timeless remedy that soothes the body and spirit alike. Berry smoothies. Berry smoothies, vibrant and bursting with life, are a veritable feast of antioxidants and vitamins. These nutrients are champions of nerve cell protection, safeguarding against the perils of damage. The act of blending berries with yogurt or almond milk concocts a beverage that not only is a delight to the senses, but a boon for bodily defense mechanisms against inflammation and oxidative stress. Such drinks are a testament to the power of nature in supporting nerve health and overall vitality. Fresh vegetable juices. The practice of juicing vegetables transforms carrots, spinach, and beets into a liquid multivitamin rich in the nutrients essential for nerve function and health. These vegetable juices are a cornucopia of antioxidants and B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, which are indispensable for nerve repair and maintenance. Beyond their direct benefits to the nervous system, these juices contribute to the body's detoxification processes, enhancing general health and paving the way for a robust nervous system. Bone broth. Bone broth, a nourishing elixir, serves as a foundation for nerve repair, offering collagen, minerals, and amino acids crucial for the nervous system's well-being. The presence of collagen and amino acids aid in the reconstruction of nerve tissues, while magnesium plays a pivotal role in nerve function. Consuming bone broth can be particularly advantageous for individuals recovering from nerve damage, providing the essential components necessary for the body's repair processes. Herbal teas. Herbal teas such as chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm transcend their role as mere agents of relaxation. They harbor compounds that actively contribute to nerve health, offering anti-inflammatory benefits and soothing nerve irritation. Embedding these teas into your nightly ritual can assist in calming the nervous system, setting the stage for a night of deep, restorative sleep essential for nerve regeneration and health. Omega-3 fortified drinks. Omega-3 fatty acids, pivotal for nerve cell health, are traditionally sourced from foods. However, their importance has led to the fortification of certain beverages, including milk and juices, with omega-3s. Regularly consuming these enriched drinks foster nerve cell structure and functionality, diminishing the likelihood of nerve damage. They represent a convenient and effective means of incorporating essential fatty acids into one's diet, underscoring the interconnection between diet, brain health, and nerve function. Kombucha. Kombucha, a fermented marble, acts as a reservoir of probiotics, fostering gut health, which in turn influences the well-being of the nervous system. A harmonious gut microbiome can modulate the body's inflammation levels, affecting nerves positively. By integrating kombucha into your diet, you're not just nurturing your gut, but also fortifying your nerves, highlighting the symbiotic relationship between digestive health and the nervous system. Incorporating these drinks into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support nerve health and prevent damage. From the antioxidant-rich green tea to the healing power of turmeric golden milk, each beverage offers unique benefits that can help nurture your nervous system. Remember, alongside these drinks, maintaining a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is crucial for optimal nerve health. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay hydrated and healthy, and see you in the next video.